Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with Woocommerce. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking to create an online income? Woocommerce is a popular e-commerce platform that can be used to sell products and services online. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to make money with Woocommerce. First, we'll take a look at why Woocommerce is the best platform to make money online. Woocommerce is a free e-commerce plugin that allows you to sell anything, beautifully. Built to integrate seamlessly with WordPress, Woocommerce is the world's favorite e-commerce solution that gives both store owners and developers complete control. With Woocommerce, you can sell both physical and digital products in all shapes and sizes. Offer your customers coupon codes, automatic shipping and tax calculations, product reviews, and more. You can even offer membership plans, content dripping, and complex subscriptions with Woocommerce Subscriptions extension. And because Woocommerce comes bundled with the ability to accept major credit cards, PayPal, bank transfers, and cash on delivery, you can open your doors to global marketplaces without any hassle. The benefits of using Woocommerce includes that it's free to use, easy to set up, and highly customizable. Unlike some other e-commerce platforms which can be quite limited in terms of design and functionality customization, Woocommerce provides users with almost limitless possibilities when it comes to customizing their stores according to their specific needs and requirements. Next, we'll take a look at how to set up your Woocommerce store. This can be done by following these simple steps. Go to the Woocommerce website and create an account. Choose a theme for your store. Install the Woocommerce plugin on your WordPress site, configure the settings for your Woocommerce store, and add products to your store. You can add products either manually or by importing them from a CSV file. After adding the products, it's important to optimize your product listings. This includes using high-quality images, providing detailed product descriptions, and using keywords in your product titles and descriptions to improve search engine visibility. Another important aspect to consider when making money with Woocommerce is marketing and promotion. This includes using social media, email marketing, and other tactics to drive traffic to your store. Additionally, you can also consider partnering with influencers or running paid advertising campaigns to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. Finally, it's important to focus on customer service and building a loyal customer base. This includes responding to customer inquiries and complaints in a timely manner, providing excellent customer service and support, and building a sense of community around your brand. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money with Woocommerce. From setting up your store, optimizing your product listings, marketing and promotion, and providing excellent customer service, there are many ways to make money using this popular e-commerce platform. Remember that the key to success with Woocommerce is to understand your target market and to be familiar with SEO and other online marketing best practices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.